Hi, this video is gonna be special. Watch till end and you will get to know why. This is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Someone asked me to solve it. All usual colors, everything seems fine. So I thought, let's give it a try. After scrambling through this cube for almost half an hour, I realized that this cube is unsolvable. Let me explain some basics first. This cube has 27 pieces. There are 8 corner pieces. Each corner piece has 3 colors. You can see these are edge pieces and each edge piece has 2 colors. There are pieces at the center which has only 1 color. No matter how you scramble through the cube, the pieces at center remain at center. An edge piece will always be replaced by an edge piece. A corner piece will always be replaced by a corner piece. In a standard Rubik's Cube, white is opposite to yellow, orange is opposite to red, and green is opposite to blue. And here comes the interesting part, because centers of this cube are not correct opposites. But I cannot apply the same rules because my cube is not a standard cube. I need to figure out what works for my cube. I have listed here the colors on the corner pieces on my cube. Let's try reading the first sequence, WBO. It stands for white, blue, and orange respectively. As you can see here on this piece that white, orange, and blue appear together. That means then when this whole cube is solved, blue should be here at the top, orange should be here, and white should be here. So they cannot be opposite to each other. They have to be adjacent. And that's how we are going to figure out which faces can be opposite to each other. Look at the first and third sequence. White and blue appear in both the sequences, while orange and yellow are different. Now we need to look through the entire list whether orange and yellow ever appear together. If they don't, then we are sure that orange and yellow are opposites, and that is the case. Look at the second and the third sequence. We can see that white and yellow appear in both the sequences, but red and blue are opposite with the same logic. Similarly, look at the first and seventh sequence, and we can conclude that green and white are opposite to each other. These are the opposites. The mystery is almost solved, but we still need to figure out that how these opposites will appear together in a configuration. To do that, pick one of the corner pieces, like I'm picking this one. Keeping green at the left according to me, red at the top, yellow should be in front. Now I have cracked the code. Green at the left, red at the top gives me yellow at the front. Let's fix the green piece anywhere as per our choice. Then we need to get red. Keeping green at the left, red at the top, yellow should be in front. And now just fix the opposites. To make a custom cube, you just need to get a structure like this with all the faces white, and then just paint all these faces with 6 different colors as per your choice. Thanks for watching.